Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. We have a crowd favorite. We're bringing it back. Motion separation take 2. We got a bigger ladder. We got bigger weights. We went 15 pounds last time. We're doing 25. And I'm not really good with height. I'm going to say we're probably about 12, 15 feet in the air. Maybe 100. Who knows? So same thing. Motion separation. Traditional hand tie. Tempur memory foam mattress. You're going to see a big difference between the two when I drop this weight. So let's go take 1. Geronimo! Woo! Crazy, right? Alright, now we're going to do the memory foam. Give me a break here. Don't do this at home. Always abide to the 3-point system. You see it didn't even bounce. Great toss there, right? Thanks, guys. All right, so we're showing you the difference between motion separation. Obviously, you toss and turn. Your partner's going to toss and turn with you here, or not with you here. You toss and turn on an inner spring. Your partner's going to be bobbing and weaving with you. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. See you guys next week with Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.